Hello everyone, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. Oriental Insurance Company Limited written exam is over and I know that most of you have done well in your written examination. काफी अच्छा examination आप लोगों ने दिया है. And those who are confident about the interview, they should start the preparation early because once the result is announced, after that we get very limited time for the preparation of the interviews. In this particular video, I am going to give you the complete strategy and all important topics to follow for the preparation of your OICL AO interview 2025-26. Our batch is already live on the Guidely platform. Here you will be able to attend 5+ live classes for completely focused on IOCL AO preparation, company profile, all important insurance related interview questions and answer. Along with that, the recent update regarding the insurance industry. Everything will be there within the batch with the basic insurance knowledge. तो आपका full preparation यहां से हो जाएगा. You can join the batch, start your preparation properly. चलिए, सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना होगा, that is going to be the company profile. So when we are going for OICL, we should see that Oriental Insurance Company is which type of company, life insurance, non-life insurance, what type of major product they are offering. So it is a non-life insurance company that is also known as general insurance company. So within the general insurance product, which is the major area it is focusing on, it is focused on marine insurance, health insurance, motor insurance. Means what is the biggest product of the company का सबसे बड़ा product क्या है, what is the last quarter report, recent products, ये सारी चीजें हमको कवर करना है along with the leadership, what is the vision of the company, mission of the company. So the complete profile of OICL, subsidiaries of OICL. Then from the basics of insurance, there will be 2-3 very important topic like principle of insurance. So they ask the question during the interview like this: which principle of insurance are not applicable in the general insurance case? Which principle of insurance not applicable to the life insurance case? Which principle of insurance is the pillar of any insurance contract? कि वो कौन सा प्रिंसिपल होगा जो कि एक इंश्योरेंस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट का पिलर हो, आइदर इन लाइफ or in non-life. So this type of question you can expect from the principle of insurance. After that, principle of indemnity, principle of subrogation, principle of contribution, वो सारा एरिया आपको अच्छे से कवर करना है. Then about IRDI and most important part is recent update in the insurance industry. देखिए क्वेश्चन रहता है आपके पास, that is what do you think why the insurance penetration is very low in India? कि भाई इंडिया में इंश्योरेंस पेनिट्रेशन कम क्यों है? How you are going to contribute in the increment of the insurance penetration? What are the recent steps taken by IRDI to increase the reach of insurance sector in India? तो इस तरीके क्वेश्चंस बनेंगे. So with the logical data, you have to frame the answers for your interview. I'll help you within the batch. Next one, recent news about FDI in the insurance sector. तो FDI 100% अनाउंस कर दिया है. According to the Act of 2026, what will be the positive negative impact of the FDI in the insurance sector? इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर में उसका क्या इंपैक्ट पड़ेगा? ठीक है, तो ये मेजर एरियाज हैं जहां पर आपको प्रिपरेशन करना है. आफ्टर दैट, व्हाई यू वांट टू जॉइन OICL, व्हाट आर द रोल्स एंड रिस्पांसिबिलिटीज ऑफ AO, व्हाई यू विल प्रेफर OICL AO कंपेयर टू बैंक PO, क्योंकि उनको पता होता है दैट यू आर नॉट ओनली प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर इंश्योरेंस, यू आर राइटिंग द एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ बैंकिंग इंडस्ट्री एज वेल. 99% people of you those who are attending the interview definitely आपका जो OICL है उसके साथ में बैंकिंग का भी प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं. इवन रिसेंटली कई लोगों ने इंटरव्यूज दिए होंगे. few have already selected on the position of PO. तो why you will prefer OICL AO compared to bank PO? इसके आंसर्स आपको फ्रेम करने होंगे. ठीक है, what are the initiatives taken by IRDI to increase the insurance penetration in India? What is all-in-one insurance? What is Bima Trinity? These are very frequent question in the recent interviews. अगर हम अभी recent के interviews की बात करें, that is NISCL AO, NICL AO, इन सारे interviews में ये सारे questions continuously repeat हुए. Based on that, I have framed this the number of questions. E-insurance account क्या है? What is surety bond in India? How it will be helpful to the infrastructure? IRDI Vision 2047. Which are the recent committees made by the IRDI for simplifying the insurance industry? About company, what do you know about the company, about the profitability, about the important products? What are the skills you hold which will be helpful on the position of NICL AO? Why we should hire you? तो ये वो लिस्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस हैं जो 100% आपको इंटरव्यू में देखने के लिए मिलेंगे. Along with that, you need to start preparing from basic level, that is your own profile. Start from your home. your name, the city you belongs to, हर एक information collect करिए if there is any GI tag from your city, या फिर कोई रामसार site famous है, or there is any historical site nearby your state or city, nearby in your city basically, any very famous national park is located nearby your city, तो वो सारी information आपको cover करना है. Then about your state, who is the chief minister, governor of the state, recent schemes launched by your state government, तो ये वाले पॉइंट कवर करना है. आफ्टर दैट फैमिली ऑक्यूपेशन, सो इफ दे बिलोंग्स टू यू, जस्ट फॉर एग्जांपल your parents are working with Indian Railway, so they might ask you about that, what is the railway budget of India 2026, and what is the recent update from the Indian Railway. Vande Bharat trains में क्या updates आए अभी recently, तो sleeper train has been started recently, so where the sleeper train has started, just for the example. Education sector में है, then what is RT, right to education क्या है, then what is NEP, national education policy, what is the education budget of 2026, क्या नए गवर्नमेंट की स्कीम्स लॉन्च किए गए इन द एजुकेशन सेक्टर. That type of question you can expect. Few question from the graduation. If you have a gap year of more than 1.5 year, then they will ask you question regarding gap year also. That justification also required properly. Then why insurance sector, and why insurance after, if you have done engineering, if you are from mathematics background, apart from BCom, from for everyone they ask that why you want to join the insurance sector, कि insurance sector में क्यों आना है. So these are the 99% important areas जो मैंने आपको बता दिए हैं, from where you will be expecting most of the question in your interview. Prepare well, start early, and go confidently for your interview. You can take the support from my OICL AO interview batch on the Guidely platform. Join the batch, cover the content from here, give 2 mock interview before going for your real interview, and after that you can go for the interview confidently. All the best from my side, guys. Take care. Jai Hind.